Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on an Ikea Symfonisk Sonos Lamp Speaker. It's quite an easy thing to do. You might want to do this if you're having issues with connectivity, if it keeps disconnecting, if it won't connect, if you're getting static or other sound issues. Just a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Or if it's connecting to the wrong device and you just want to clear everything out and get a fresh start, this will fix it. So the first thing we need to do is we're going to just unplug the speaker. You can unplug it underneath. It might just be easier for you to just unplug it at the wall. And then once it's unplugged, wait a couple seconds, and then we're going to come in and we're just going to press this play button, and we're going to press and hold it. And just press and hold it. And while you're holding it, go ahead and plug your lamp speaker back in. And you'll notice that this indicator light will start to blink white. Just going to keep on holding this. Just keep holding it until this light will eventually start to blink orange. Once it starts to blink orange, you can let go because the reset has begun. You can allow it to complete the reset process, which you'll know is complete when this blinks green. And then you can just reconnect the speaker to whatever device you like.